Good morning, guys. Today we're going to make the black African soap body wash. So what I'm doing, I'm actually grating the soap right here. I have 3 coffee cups of water boiling on the stove. And as you guys know, I kind of make my own African soap. This is the black charcoal African soap. So what I'm doing now is grating this up, because what I'm going to do to this, guys, I'm going to turn it into body wash. So I made this soap about 2 weeks ago. So now I'm just going to turn this one into a body wash. So I'm grating it up. I have to let my water come to a boil. So I got 3 cups of boiling hot water on the stove. And if you guys don't want to use, homemade soap, you can take a bar of Zest, or whatever soap, Coast, olive oil, any type of soap that you like to use. You could take that soap and grate it and make your own body wash at home. Because like when you go to the store and buy body wash is very expensive. So this is 2 of my homemade bars, because they're not as large as the bars from the store. So I'm just grating it. And once that water comes to a boil, I'm going to take it and I'm going to stir it up. And we're going to let it soak overnight. So if you guys see, I'm putting it into this bowl right here. So this is going to make body wash. Really nice body wash. So this is like about 2 bars, because my bars come small. So once my water heats up, guys, I'm actually going to take it after the water heats up and pull the water off in here. And then we're going to let it sit overnight, and by tomorrow it'll be thickened up. And you guys can take this and use it with any I might need a bigger bowl. You guys can take this and use it with any bar soap. Let's see, is this one wider? I might need a wider one, that bowl. And you can make your own body wash at home. So I'm gonna put it in this one, because this bowl seems to be a lot bigger. So basically with that, and it has came to a boil, and you pour water onto it, hot water, and we're going to let this soak overnight. And by tomorrow, this is going to be the black charcoal activated soap, because I like to use a lot of detox soap, so I buy this. So this is what it's going to be, and it's going to go back in this bottle. But you guys can use any type of soap of your desire, but this will be how you make body wash at home. So by tomorrow, this is going to thicken up, and it's going to be in more of a kind of sort of a liquid form. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, God bless, guys. Bye bye.